Hey everybody, Chad here, Colorado Giants. It's Tuesday, July 30th. It's time for an update. So showing you guys the sunflowers here. We've been getting some of these really cool bumblebees. I'm happy one is still hanging out if the camera will focus. There we go. So really cool looking bumblebees. You don't see bumblebees too often anymore, even though I have lots of beehives. Bumblebees are one of those species of bees that's actually hard to. Oh, I don't know what's going on. They're one of the ones that's a little bit harder hit because you can't, keep culture bumblebees. So I'm happy to see those. Longhorns take you over. I haven't really been tending to these all that much, but they are all the way up there. So that's about at the top. All these side vines. I did learn something is that most gourds do not have a fruit on the main vine. It's all on the secondary vines. So like there's a little green bean baby long gourd on the secondary vines, and that's the same with like the bushel gourds and whatnot. I did not know that. You may not have, but now you do. We'll keep this one quick, short, simple. I have had some irrigation challenges this week, which I think I'll get to my disappointing weight gains. So I've got my couplers out. I've got to bypass a few breaks in the line. I think I had like a mouse in there chewing, because over here there's like 3 lines where it's just a break, or a hole chewed in it, rather. So here we go. 1911 plant, still a little crunchy, but definitely hanging in there. And it's just doing its thing. It's trucking along. I turned off the big fan so you don't have that humming in the background. Make my way over to Bernie. I don't think I told you guys. If you followed the Facebook page, which is just Colorado Giants, I named this pumpkin because Leonardo's plant, who's an amazing grower, and again, this is no disrespect to him in any way, shape, or form. His plant just burns a lot, so this pumpkin is named Bernie. This is Bernie the pumpkin. Bernie the pumpkin. I got my cheat sheet here. Bernie is 30 days old today. Estimated weight is 236 pounds. And the last, I don't know how many day average that is, but it's doing about 17 pounds a day or so. I've been measuring every day, which I'm sure will probably stop here fairly shortly, but it was doing upper to mid 20 pounds per day, but it's this line, and this line. So a good swath of this plant is not getting the irrigation that it needs. And I've been doing that by hand, and that's just not cutting the mustard, as they say. So winding my way over here. It was my intention to have a walking path, but I figure I need all the leaves I can get. Oh, I hear a break in the line. There's another break in the line. That's not good. Uh-oh, here we go. So, what do we got? So, that's a new one on me. So that's probably another flipping mouse chewing. So let me go. That's why you have everything on valves. So there we go. This line is shut off. And we'll get back to it. So need to fix that one. So now I have 4 lines I need to fix. Lovely. 1984 barren plant. Still, I'm truly amazed how nice this plant is. You can see this main vine still growing. It's hanging out with the bushel gourds now. This plant, or this pumpkin rather, cheat sheet, I've named this one Godfather. It is 25 days old today, only 100 pounds. So if I'm being honest, I'm disappointed in that. There's a whole lot of potential with the plant that this pumpkin has. So, I am a little bit disappointed. At that point in time, 25 days, I'd really like to be closer to 150 pounds or so. I hear another break back here. There's a mouse that has a taste for irrigation. That sucks. So this one just has a really small stem. I got to keep an eye on that. bushel gourd plant, I have been neglecting it a touch. It's still going bananas. I'm really enjoying growing these bushel gourds though. I think it's a lot of fun. I do have one set that's right there. Boop boop. And then we'll go take a gander at the other one. This break I've known about. There is a little hole right there. I've known about that one. And then this pumpkin, I've named it Wheelie, Wheelie the Wheel, because it is very much wheel shaped. And this one is Russell, is 24 days old, 75 pounds. This one, that one, I didn't put an average growth. I think that one's like 10 pounds a day or so. This one I didn't even do because it's less than 10 pounds the last week or so, which is just not good. Not good even a little bit. But that's it. Got to keep it quick. It's maybe 7 o'clock or so, and I need to fix these irrigation leaks so my pumpkins can start packing on the weight again, because you don't have a lot of time during this peak season growth. I need to take advantage of every day that I can, and pumpkins are almost all water, so I need to fill those suckers up with water. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, all that good stuff, share it. And that's it. Have a good one. We'll catch you next week.